So I've got a quick one here for you today. I'm going to be changing the air filter and installing the HEPA. I've had a lot of questions. So I went ahead and ordered it about a week ago, and it just showed up. So here it is in the original packaging. But the first thing you want to do is go back into your truck and go ahead and turn off your air conditioning system. And there should be, there's an indicator as the direction of the airflow right here. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my mat. And then basically it's just a matter of using a pry tool to go ahead and get this piece off here. As you can see on the back, there's a number of these clips that were holding it in place. So it's really just pulling those out, which will give you access, of course, to the filter housing itself. And there are 3 clips, it looks like, holding this into place. Door comes off, and then here is the stock filter, which you can see is relatively different from the HEPA. And again, the only key here is making sure you pay attention to that arrow with the airflow, and that is supposed to go up. Slide her in. You got those pull-out tabs for when you want to remove it later. And then you can see here just lining up each one of these. You've got the kind of locking mechanisms on the top, and these are going to slide in the bottom. Then yeah, it's popped into place. Feels secure all the way around. Now I'm just going to line my clips back up. Put that cover back on, pop it in place, kind of push everywhere you saw a clip to hear the click. And that is it. Now I've got a HEPA air filter in place. Well, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, and if there's anything else you want to see, let me know in the comments. I'm doing my best to try to hit anything that's a decent suggestion as quickly as I can. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.